other officers of NOPO, Colonel Andon, Colonel Napuga La Cuesta, the men and women in uniform of the NOPO, Colonel Joel Malik, our executive officer of the 303rd Brigade, and other officers of the Philippine Army. Ma'am Babes of Concan, naapo dali kanato si Mr. Don De Sinieres nga ato ang kaabag kanunay sa pagtapos sa kalinaw o kahusay sa atong probinsya. Sa ato ang mga sa nagitawagan nila students na participate karon, ang atong mga department heads na nakakaroon din mga kauban nato sa kalambuan sa probinsya. My fellow civil servants, good morning. Kita ang pagbago, kita ang kalinaw. Today, we usher in the celebration of National Peace Consciousness Month as mandated under Proclamation number 675, issued on July 2004. The Presidential Proclamation was issued to promote a culture of peace based on non-violence, respect for fundamental rights and freedoms, tolerance, understanding, and solidarity. The proclamation also seeks to strengthen and to sustain institutional and popular support for and participation in this effort. Now, on its 13th year, the annual observance continues its aim of harnessing a culture of peace among different sectors and inspiring them to play their part in achieving a just and lasting peace for the country. Is the attainment for peace possible? Only last Friday, or a mere 2 days before we could even start with the Peace Month celebration, the entire nation was shaken with the news about a bombing incident in Davao City that left 14 people dead and several others wounded. In other parts of the country, hundreds are dying in the streets and elsewhere due to various illegal activities. And right here in our province, a woman in Bacong town was burned to death by her live-in partner for reasons only he knows. Incidents like this tend to disturb the peace that we all aspire for and work hard to achieve. This also brings us to the realization that you and I, also all of us, have to join hands and work together to achieve peace. As this year's theme says, tayo ang pagbabago, tayo ang kapayapaan, kita ang pagbago, kita ang kalinaw. As the famous singer and composer John Lennon once says, and I quote, "Peace is not something you wish for. It's something you make, something you do, something you are, and something you give away." This year's theme also brings to mind the efforts of the Duterte administration to work with various sectors and the so-called enemies of the state to achieve lasting peace in the country. As Secretary Jesus Dorisas puts in, these peace talks should be more of a coming together of Filipinos interested to see changes in our lands, to be shared for and by all. Let's no longer call our engagements as negotiations, but instead a shared national conversation, a dialogue where we find together common grounds, bridge the divides, and seek common dreams to share. As we celebrate Peace Consciousness Month, I enjoin everyone to promote a culture of peace within and amongst us, that we and our children's children will live in the peace and harmony. Hinaot paunta nga ang kalinaw o kahusay mo pagbabaw sa matag usa nato. May God bless us all. In God we trust. Thank you and good morning.